At Camfil APC, there's been a lot of R&D to build the perfect industrial dust and fume collector. Here are just a few of the features and benefits of the FAR Gold series. Number 1. Released in 1999 as a replacement to inferior dust collectors, including large, high-maintenance, low-efficiency bag houses and poorly designed horizontal cartridge collectors. Number 2. Its module or frame is constructed of 7-gauge steel. Number 3. Component configurations are virtually unlimited. The FAR Gold series comes in all shapes, colors, and sizes. Number 4. Maintenance is easy with a filter change-out time that is less than half of the competition. Number 5. During testing, 12 explosions were created inside the FAR Gold series, all within the same unit. It remained intact, deeming the FAR Gold series a performance-based design on NFPA explosion protection. Number 6. It was the first collector to be powder-coated and still the only one that is. Number 7. The only collector to feature the gold cone and hemi-pleat technology. Number 8. First collector to offer an integrated clean side flame front barrier for explosion protection. Number 9. First independently tested collector with bag-in, bag-out containment options for potent drugs and toxic chemicals on the market. The original FAR Gold series. Genuine innovation, legendary performance. For more revealing things to know, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.